In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu add-ons so you can enhance your streaming experience with additional content. Let's get started. To add premium upgrades or extras to your Hulu subscription, log in to your Hulu account on the website or app. Navigate to your account settings and select Manage Subscriptions or Add-ons. Here you'll find optional add-ons like HBO Max, Cinemax, Stars, Showtime, or sports packages for an additional fee. Choose the ones you want and they'll be added to your monthly bill. Once subscribed, you can access these add-ons directly within the Hulu app or website. Browse their content in the Premium Add-ons section or search for specific shows or movies. For offline viewing, download eligible content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Ensure your payment details are updated to avoid interruptions. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Hulu add-ons.